When a child wins the race, when a dancer grabs the spotlight, when a chef presents a new recipe, there are people who have worked hard behind the scenes for the success. Similarly, when a patient walks out of the hospital with a smile and confidence, there is a team who have worked in unison for his recovery. Let us meet the unsung heroes of this team who doesn't wear scrubs and stethoscopes, but an impact resonate throughout the healthcare system. But who shaped these professionals? Sardar Vallabhbhai Global University, in association with Shalby Hospital, one of the largest chains of multi-speciality hospitals in the country, are playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of hospital management. Together, they offer first ever undergraduate program, a BBA in healthcare and hospital management. The program prepares candidates to become industry ready in the fields of hospital management, hospital marketing, hospital operation and HR. Let's hear from our experts about this unique program.
Healthcare is one of the fastest growing sector in India and particularly in Gujarat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Global University has commenced a specialized course of BBA in healthcare management. This course has been meticulously designed by noted industry experts in association with Shalby Hospitals. Shalby Hospital will not only provide the practical training but also provide strong placement backup to the students at Sardar Vallabhbhai Global University.
With Gujarat emerging as a major destination from medical tourism, there is an increased demand of trained manpower for medical and healthcare management. With this initiative, we hope to bridge the gap and there will be increased opportunity for the students.
So for students who aim to make their career in the healthcare sector, we provide a 3 years undergraduate program, which is BBA HHM, that is BBA in Hospital and Healthcare Management. We have tied up with Shalby Hospitals as our training partner, and we provide a 190 days comprehensive training with Shalby Hospitals.
Healthcare is growing very fast. And what does healthcare requires? A trained manpower. A trained manpower which is not only theoretically trained but has a complete practical approach. We have designed the programs which are at the center stage of the healthcare industry, wherein students get a hands-on experience, they get a practical exposures as well as the good theoretical knowledge.
Shalby Hospital is more than a healthcare provider. We are shaping the future of healthcare. Through Shalby Academy, we are cultivating tomorrow's leader. Join us in creating a healthier future.
The faculty here are extremely motivating and supportive.
This program is the first of its kind in Gujarat that offers 190 days training within the hospital setting.
We love how vibrant our campus premises are. It feels like a second home to us.
Candidates who have passed the final examination under the 10+2 system or its equivalent courses are eligible to apply for admission to the BBA HHM degree program. Also, guaranteed placement assistance by Shalby Hospital across India after successful completion of the program.
Training at Shalby Hospital was very exciting.
And we learn something new each day.
So if you are the one who aspires to be a game changer in healthcare sector, this course is for you. Sardar Vallabhbhai Global University and Shalby Academy, shaping tomorrow's healthcare leaders.